iClip AV simply turns your smartphone into video and audio broadcast recording system, so you can look professional while interviewing celebrities and random people for your YouTube channel. iClip won't make your video look any better, since you will be using same smartphone camera, however it reinforces the audio that accompanies those videos. The smartphone clip can mount any phone between 3.5 to 6 inches, as well as be removed for use with mounts for other cameras. It allows you to plug in an XLR mic preamplifier, complete with a wireless receiver bracket, phantom power for large microphones, gain control, and real-time headphone monitoring. Features include a large ergonomic handle, standard threads on the underside for mounting on tripods, and compatibility with any video recording app.